Okay, folks, this is Mosha from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. I have Eddie and Vicky, two of my favorite customers from Virginia. I just made them the fish fillet in coconut rundown sauce, and this is their reaction. Go ahead, Mom.
Okie doke. This is like the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. This is lick the plate clean kind of food.
Look at the plate.
Oh yeah, it's about gone.
Okay, this is part 2, folks, okay?
And the food is awesome, but the rum punch is equally as awesome.
Hey.
This is my 4th, and I hope to have a few more.
Oh, you see,
This is a wonderful night, and we will be back again for many years to come.
Yeah, they were
Thank
here
you.
yesterday, and I made this specially for them. This young lady, she's allergic to certain things, and I eliminated certain things out of the fish, and she still enjoys it. I was in the kitchen, and she yells out, "Masha!" I was surprised. I thought something was wrong.
Yeah, it's so good, I had to tell him.
Yeah, she's like, "Everybody needs to come here."
That's right. You got to come to Mosha's, and especially if you have any issues with food, he can cook around anything.
Thank you, my dear.
Anything.
That's right.
Love
Thank
you, man. Love you.
Thank you.
Your
Love
food
you
is
too,
awesome.
brother.
Your soul is awesome.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. People need to hear that. So here we go, folks. Mosha's Reggae Lounge, Republic Dominicana in Playa Sosua.